Cases of cholera have been confirmed in 2 sub-counties of Murang'a since October 11th, when the government issued a notice of an outbreak of the disease in some counties. 3 of the patients have been treated and discharged from hospital, while 2 other cases are still active. Speaking during a public health workshop in Murang'a, the County Disease and Surveillance Officer Christopher Mwangi confirmed that the first 3 cases were reported at Gatura area of Gatanga sub-county, and the victims were among a group of people who attended a wedding in Limuru, Kiambu County. He added that the other 2 cases were from Ithiru ward of Kandara sub-county, saying the patients are still recuperating in hospital. Health officers have urged residents and business people in the restaurants and hotels to maintain high standards of hygiene.
That happened in Kiambu County, whereby some of our residents here had gone for that wedding, and when they came back, they developed signs and symptoms for cholera, and we are taken to hospital and we are confirmed to be cases of cholera. 3 of them were confirmed and we are treated in various hospitals in Kiambu and Nairobi. So far, all of them have recovered and been discharged.
The cases we have are all imported, as you have been explained by the disease surveillance officer. We know our first cases came from Limuru. We have addressed them. The cases now in Kandara, they came from Nairobi, and we have arrested that. So we have no fear, but we are in full gear. We have the equipments. We are equipped to ensure we sample the waters and to educate people. I would ask the public, Hasa, those ones in urban centers where there is a lot of hawking, to exercise maximum care.
I'd love to call out for those people who have those food establishments. First and foremost, we need to ensure that we have enough supply of water. This enough supply of water will ensure that whatever we are cooking, we are washing very thoroughly. The people who are coming to the premises, they are washing their hands thoroughly before they eat. We also have the food employees, the staff who are employed there. They need also to be washing their hands very well before even they prepare these meals.
And the residents of Ratia area of Kirima sub-county in Laikipia